How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the Beginner's Bar. It's Scott. Alright, time to make arguably my most favorite cocktail, a Daiquiri. For this, the ingredients that you're going to need: simple syrup. This is Demerara. You're also going to need a lime for lime juice, and rum. I'm using Alpine State Signature Blend. Any rum you like. Some people would say use a silver rum or a white rum. Completely up to you. Use what you wish. For hardware, of course, you're going to need shaker, Boston shaker. You're going to need a jigger. Again, your 1 ounce, 2 ounce jigger. Need your drinking glass. Again, another Nicanora. A knife to cut your lime with, and juicer. By the way, all the equipment, at least for the shaker, the jigger, the Nicanora, and Hawthorne strainer, available in links down below. They are affiliate links. If you purchase something, it'll be greatly appreciated. On that note, let's get to making the cocktail. Alright, just like last couple times I've done shaking cocktails, I'm gonna move this out of the way. In a short tin of the shaker, let's cut this in half. Gonna need 1 ounce of lime juice. Add your lime juice into the tin. Now 1 ounce of Demerara simple syrup into the tin. And now, as I am wont to do every time I have a shaken cocktail, invert into the small 2 ounces of rum. Now let's put these away. Grab your ice. I'm gonna go 4 cubes. Again, marry the cocktail. Oh no, had a spill. Pop it, and now soft shakes again. Cold enough, go for it. Well, because of my mess up earlier, not going to get as big of a pour, but it's alright. Still going to be good. And strain it away. Shimmy shake. The Daiquiri. Cheers. Delicious. If you like the video, then please hit like, subscribe, make a comment. What cocktail would you like to see me make? And all my barware is by Barfly Mixology. All links are down below for if you want to use the gear I use. And until next time.